Here we are at the ALoft San Francisco Airport, San Francisco, California, room 223. Pretty normal room. Nice big desk, TV on the wall, couple of beds. You can sleep in either one. You can switch midway through the night. You can have more people. Scan thing for the menu, a nice clock. The air conditioner thing on the wall. Pretty standard stuff. Desk, chair, light, phone. Nice little outdoorsy courtyard type space with some chairs and then some more chairs near what looks like a fire thing. Pretty cool place to spend time, I guess. But nice views from the room. Just a nice peaceful setting. I like the bathroom floor. I like these planks of wood. I thought it was a nice bathroom. Had an ironing board and an iron. You've got some hangers, some more shelves, coffee thing, ice bucket, safe, fridge. Fridge was kind of weird in the bathroom, but I don't care. It's a fridge. Fridge is fridge. So that's there. Bathroom, hairdryer, everything you need to travel with. Nice sink, tissues. I like this open storage because I forget stuff all the time, and having the stuff not in a drawer or sealed away makes it harder for me to forget. Towels, nice shower with the soaps on the wall, handy to have them there. It seems less wasteful to have the pumps on the wall too than stuff that has to get thrown away every time. Nice can, not a bad, bathroom, not a bad room. Nice place to spend some time. Pretty much what you need. Nice and clean.